Alright, today we're going to do some vibe coding and we're going to build a chatbot for Twitch. So we're going to start with create a Rust repository. We're going to create a Git repository. Alright, we got our main function. And let's use Claude Code today as our AI agent. Okay, let's is there an init? Yeah, let's create a claude.md file. This is going to be where we put our instructions. So let's let it run. We're going to need to open up some Twitch API docs. But other than that, we're going to let the AI kind of build this out for us. So, SOM chatbot. Let's see, Cloud Reference Guide, build and run commands, cargo build, cargo run, cargo check, cargo clippy, good. Tests, code style guidelines, use snake case, types imports, group imports. Documentation. Now, add that after completing any feature, we should run cargo check to make sure the code builds. I also want to write unit tests for every possible function. Be reasonable. Let's start feature development with unit tests to have a goal toward what we are building. Test driven development. Also run cargo test after completing a feature to make sure it works correctly. What else? Let's use RustDoc extensively to document our functions, instructs, etc. What else? Also use inline comments to document important parts of the code. Okay. Cargo build, cargo run, cargo check, cargo clip, be good, test with output, start with unit test for new features. Formatting, naming, imports, error handling, testing types, modules. Cool. Today we're going to build a Twitch chatbot. Let's build it to run locally on the end user's machine rather than in a cloud environment. Start with the basic structure initially, and then we will build out the features of the chatbot. This should be a CLI program to start with. CLI is we're going to build this to run from the command line, so the terminal. And a GUI is a graphical interface, so it's something that any user would be able to use. Okay, let's start with the basics. For the CLI, I would prefer to use clap. Do you need access to any Twitch documentation to get started? Do you want to proceed? Creates multiple nested directories in one command. So we're going to create a CLI directory, configuration directory, Twitch directory, commands directory. Yes, and don't ask it again. Edition 2021. I want to use edition 2024. Doesn't matter, we can change that later. Okay, so this is going to take from each user their OAuth token, their channel name, and a bot username. So that can be configured. We're going to read it from the environment. Okay. We've got a test to make sure that that works correctly. We've got a crate here. Use Twitch IRC. Let's go see what that is. Crates.io. Twitch IRC. Connect to Twitch chat from a Rust application. This is a client library to interface with Twitch chat. This library is async and runs using the Tokyo runtime. Good. Incoming message. Okay, so we can receive messages from Twitch. Let's go to the docs. All items. We've got login, we got messages. Ping message, bong message to keep. Okay, clear chat message, clear message. Followers only mode. Oh. So we can change settings, reply to message. Nice, okay. Looks like it's got everything that we need. So create a new Twitch client with a given configuration. So from our environment, we're going to create our bot, the username and the OAuth token. Then we're going to use that crate, which is a library. To receive incoming message, we can join a Twitch channel, which is the channel that we added in our configuration. Send a message to a channel with this function, send message. And testing actual Twitch connection would require mocking the Twitch API. Sure, we can add those later. And then we got commands. Execute the command based on a chat message. Execute. And those are just stubbed out for now. We've got a command registry, so these are the commands that are sent in the chat. It's going to be a list of all those that we support. Register command. Okay, so this is kind of the setup, how we can register our commands. Check to see if we have those commands registered. Get command. Okay. Our unit tests.